Spreadsheet collaborators, I believe, is people who are your teammates that you can invite, your virtual assistants. Correct?
Yeah, correct. Sorry, totally forgot to mention about spreadsheet collaborators. So the pricing tiers also are dependent on the number of people with whom the spreadsheet is shared. So over here, Hopted is tracking how many people, how many teammates are sharing the spreadsheets where Hopted pulls in data. Obviously, we don't count our own emails, our own service email. So, and yeah, each of those plans allows you to invite in total three people, three collaborators, three teammates. These could be virtual assistants. These could be your normal employees. And again, additionally, you can purchase
Mm. Hmm.
for $6 per extra collaborator.
So if we're going for the yearly plan, say, and we're looking to buy a collaborator space, so that would be $6 x 12, for
Uh,
example, or
X12, correct.
okay. Yeah,
Mhm.
fair enough, man. Fair enough. I think it's pretty clear with the pricing. Again, in the description, we're gonna have a link to get a free trial. We'll try to make maybe some extended free trial or something like that for our listeners and viewers to benefit even more from the normal 7 day. But yeah, let's see what's available. And of course, any questions. Also, there's the contact us on the website. You can speak with the team. I believe there's a option to get some help. Plus, maybe if you have any features that you're interested in as the viewer, listener, maybe you can speak with the guys and see what's possible.
Yeah, we are available through the chat window over here. You can
Hmm.
type your message here, and typically within a few hours or even less, we'll get back to you with the help.